Hi everybody, Matthew here with Quick Websites and Hosting. Going to talk today about how to make quick and easy anchors in Divi. So looking at a site I'm working on here, and these two buttons on the hero here are anchors to lower parts of the page. So you can see if I click on that, it takes me down. If I click on this Our Services button, it takes me down as well to a different section of the site. So let's see how that works. I'm going to switch over here to a page that I've already got the editor open on, and if I scroll down here, well, let's look at the button. Well, no, let's do that second. So I'm going to scroll down to this services. So that's one of the sections that scrolls down to. So all you do is in the section settings under advanced and CSID and classes is you give it a CSS ID. So my ID is Our Services there. So that is what is applied to the button with a hashtag in front of it. So if we go back to the top of the page here and I edit this full page header, then you can see that in my button number 2 link, if I go down here and click on link, that there's that same CSS ID Our Services just with the hashtag in front of it. Same thing with the other button, it's linked to a book appointment section. So if I scroll to the bottom of the page here where that section is, and I click on the section settings for it, you can see again in advanced and CSS ID and classes, there's that book appointment ID. So that's it, really. That's all there is to it. You just give the CSS ID a name in the section you want to get to, and then you anchor it through a button, or you can do it through a piece of text as well, somewhere else on the page. So let me again show you how that works. Here I'm on the live page. If I click on book an appointment, I'm going down to the bottom. If I click on Our Services, I'm going to that section. The same thing works in the menu as well. So I've got this book appointment button going to the same book and appointment section. So if I click there, it goes on down. I'll show you that here in the menus real quick. So here's my menu system, and here's my book and appointment. See, it's a custom link. Excuse me. So all it does is go to that CSS class. You don't need the pound or the hashtag in here like you do on a text link though. So again, let's go back to the live site, and you can see if I click on book an appointment, it's going all the way down there too. So there you go, nice and easy. You can follow step by step to get more details, but it shouldn't be too much trouble for you. Thanks everybody, till next time, bye.